All right. Right between the fence and the sheep. All right. Tell him, Will. Well, look at Scarlett now.
This is
It's like, what's going on? What's he doing? I'm ready. Look at that look. Are they going to do something?
You don't want to walk towards the center of the field now. You want to walk towards the fence. You want to walk towards the fence because then he should come in behind them and pull them off the fence. So walk over here.
Look at that tongue hanging out.
No, he's been thinking out there.
He's doing a great job. He went between the fence and the sheep once, but
Yeah,
now
we
it's
saw
like...
that. It was great.
I really, there's a lot of dogs you can't get them to do